Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. So we're here to continue on with our series on holding tanks. We're going to talk about proper use, maintenance, and storage. So come on along with us and see what more we can learn. Now we're going to talk about black. Black, or some people call sewage. So sewage or black is only toilets. So you're going to get all the really smelly stuff, all the solids are going to be discharged from one or two or more toilets into your black tank. So because of that, you're always going to leave the black tank valve closed. If not, you create a mound inside of these solids and it can become a really big problem. So as far as maintenance goes, cleanliness is everything. Some coaches have washouts, so they'll have a tank flush valve so that you can wash that holding tank out. The most important part is the normal use. Normal use, you're always going to put some type of chemical in that tank. Every time you dump your black tank, as soon as you close it back up, you need to go back inside, pour your half a bottle, 4 ounces, whatever it reads, into your black tank, flush a couple times, and then you're ready to go for the next go round. So you're going to wait until that tank gets up 75% or higher, dump it all at once, close it back up, start all over again. As far as storing the coach, again, you're going to want to clean this out first. If you have the ability, if you have tank flush, you absolutely want to use your tank flush to wash it all out. If not, just run a bunch of water from the inside again, wash it out good, close it up, put chemicals inside, flush it a couple times, leave that chemical in there to knock down on the smell and the growth of all that algae that's on the inside of these tanks. Okay, so the last reason to add your chemicals on your black tanks. All tanks have a monitoring system to them. They can be troublesome as far as reading correctly because of cleanliness. So the maintenance on these tanks is very important to keep them clean, keep all your chemicals correct inside of them, and that's going to make it easier for those tank systems, no matter what it is, whether it's a travel trailer, or fifth wheel, or highline coach. They all have a tank monitoring system in them, and cleanliness makes those work way better, have way less problems. So if you have any more questions, if you have any concerns, give us a call, come down and see us here at Lazydays RV.